I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your data and accounts. Sign in to Google Earth Pro and Arcgis Pro, then confirm matching coordinate systems. This avoids misaligned imagery. Next, export or identify the Google Earth KMZ/KML layer you want to bring into Arcgis. Once you have the KML, use Arcgis's KML to layer tool to convert it to a geodatabase feature class. This preserves attributes. Make sure to set the correct datum and projection during conversion, so features sit correctly on your map. With your vector layers converted, focus on imagery and attributes. If you exported Google Earth imagery, import the raster into Arcgis and run georeferencing to align pixels to control points from your converted KML features. Choose at least 3 non-collinear points. Then use clip or mosaic to new raster to limit extent and create consistent resolution. Build pyramids and calculate statistics for faster display. Finally, verify attribute tables and spatial joins so your data links to the imagery and maintains correct attribution. Finish by exporting or publishing your combined map. Symbolize layers, set layer order, and save your project. Then export maps or publish a web map or image service from Arcgis Server or Arcgis Online. Make sure to test coordinate integrity by toggling base maps and comparing known control points. If you encounter misplaced features, the most common fix is mismatched coordinate systems. Reproject the data to a common projected coordinate system, rerun geoprocessing, and rebuild pyramids. This typically resolves scale and alignment errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.